everyone, my name is Vishal and welcome to the brand new episode of Unrevealed. In this first episode, we will learn about the hair. We will learn about how to create realistic hair in Photoshop with simple steps. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started. So, here we are in the world of Photoshop. I'm going to break down all these process in 5 steps that will make this even more easy. So, talking about the step number 1. First, you have to mask out your subject with the help of pen tool, something like this. You would be able to see that on the screen. Step number 2. Now you have to remove the background here from the hair part which we left it in our first step. So to do that, you have to just take a soft brush with a little bit of hardness around 40% and your brush flow around 37%. Now start masking out the additional part with this brush settings like this. Okay, so you have to do the same thing for the whole part. I'm going to speed up this process to save your time. Now the step number 3 is that you would be able to see the gap between the hair. So we are going to fix that with the help of the clone tool. All you have to do is that you have to press the Alt key on your keyboard if you are using Windows and then select the target by pressing Alt key again, then release that key and start painting the selected target on the gap between those hairs like this. So you have to do the same thing again as I'm doing here. For now, I'm going to speed up this process to save your time. Take your breath because this is the very important step and even more harder. But I'm going to create this easy so you don't have to worry. Just follow all these steps. So what you have to do is first duplicate that subject layer and select apply layer mask. Then take your smudge tool and select that hairbrush. Link to download that brush will be in the description below. Choose the hairbrush Choose the brush strength around 85% and now paint like this. This can be done with the mouse or pen tablet, but the process and the settings will be same, nothing change in that. So just a side note, if you're using mouse, if you can't afford the pen tablet, then what you have to do is just keep changing the brush size again and again. So you have to just change the brush size time to time. Again, I'm going to speed up this step and you have to do in the same way as I showed to you. And step number 5, and this is our last step. So you would be able to see in your image that the hair we have created is very smooth, but the hair we have already here is a little bit sharp. So to match it, we are going to use the smudge tool again here, but with a different brush again. You will get the link to download that brush also below in the description. Just select that brush and this time change the brush strength around 3 to 5%. And now just paint on the hair like this. And we are done, guys. I hope I was able to teach you in a better way, and if you follow these steps, you will definitely achieve the result. So if you learned something new, let me know in the comment section about the tutorial, and I have set the target to achieve 50 plus likes in this video. So help me to achieve that, and in this next episode of this series I will reveal more interesting things. So subscribe the channel to get the update faster. Till then, keep creating. We'll see you all in the next video.